Hey y'all, welcome back to another hair video. If you're new here, I'm Candace. Welcome to my channel. And today we are doing a style that is low maintenance for natural hair. And yes, I know that everybody's been on a straight hair natural journey, but I feel like I don't want my hair straight all the time. So this is my way to keep my hair stretched and low maintenance to last about 3 weeks. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned and I'm going to show y'all how I got this beautiful style that you can do many different styles with. So keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and we'll get right into the video. I'm starting off on freshly shampooed and deep conditioned hair, and then I'm going to create my deep side part. I'm parting my hair into smaller sections so that it's easier to manage. Then apply heat protectant to each section before going in with your blow dryer. For the most volume for this hairstyle, blow dry your hair on low heat. Yes, we are using the Old Faithful blonde curl for this style.
You got the swag, so she keep the swag.
To create face framing curls, I curl towards my face.
Let me. You a bad girl. Let me.
About 3 hours to do completely. I mean, around the same time, a little less time actually than it takes for me to straighten my hair. So a quick and easy style, and it's very low maintenance and I can do many different styles with it. So with that being said, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next one.